Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill. Nancy, lots of Wednesday morning quarterbacking going on today, and the Democrats now need to throw out the old playbook.
That's right, Katie. They're shell-shocked. They know they're going to need a whole new strategy on health care reform and a host of other issues, but they have no idea what that strategy will be.
Republican Scott Brown has upended Capitol Hill, even though most here have never met him.
I was asked many times what kind of Republican I would be, and I really didn't know how to answer that, so I just said I'm going to be a Scott Brown Republican.
The surprise win by this attorney and National Guardsman has Democrats pointing fingers. One top Democratic official called the Coakley campaign, quote, the worst case of political malpractice in memory.
I think everybody bears some responsibility, certainly including the White House.
But Democrats couldn't dwell on the blame game. They've got a more serious problem.
The election in Massachusetts changes the math in the Senate.
The president advised Democratic lawmakers not to try to ram through health care reform before Brown arrives in the Capitol, even though Brown's vote as the 41st Republican senator will give the GOP the power to block it.
People said in a rather outspoken fashion with a high turnout that they'd like for us to go in a different direction.
Many Democrats, even liberals, are calling for a slowdown too. Congressman Barney Frank suggested a, quote, revised version of health care reform, saying a compromise between the House and Senate packages, quote, is no longer appropriate.
Several Democrats told us today what they'd really like to do is put health care on the back burner for now and focus on what it seems Americans are truly worried about, and that's jobs. Katie.
Nancy Cordes on Capitol Hill tonight. Nancy, thank you.